Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm going to third year at the University of Toronto. Today I will be conducting an experiment with slime. But instead of using borax, which is the common ingredient, I'll be using cornstarch and shampoo. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you will be using a big bowl to mix some water, half cup of detergent, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and you will be adding a lot more later, and a spoon and some glove. First step is to add in the shampoo and the cornstarch. Remember to add in little by little to make sure that it mixes well. Slowly add more shampoo and cornstarch until you get a consistency you want. Keep kneading the slime for about 5 minutes. This is a simple experiment that explored the concept of viscosity. Viscosity is defined as a measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. So higher the viscosity of a liquid means it has a higher resistance. In real life, we see the difference in viscosity all around our life. For example, honey and water. It is easy to pour water out of the can than honey because honey is thicker and moves much slower. This shows that honey has a higher viscosity compared to water. Viscosity can be changed by the amount of cornstarch added. As can be seen from this video, the more cornstarch added, less liquid-like it is. At last, don't forget to subscribe to Pueblo Science, TikTok, and YouTube. Bye-bye!